Hello there, my name is Paul and I will be showing you around the app I made for the exam. It's a very basic social media app and the basic features are just adding posts, liking posts and adding comments. It's using the Firebase real-time database and the Firebase authentication. And for the Firebase authentication, I can register a new account and this would be, your name would be the username that shows, and then email and password. That's all handled by Firebase. I'm going to log in into my secondary account. So now that we're logged in, we can see that on both devices, we can see all of the posts that are currently in the system. Also, each user can like and dislike a post. And if, for example, in this case, I like this post, and if I remove the like, it'll show up everywhere. I can dislike it here and it'll update everywhere in real time. Also, the user that likes or dislikes a post will see whether he liked or disliked, and this is also going to keep track of everything. So let's add a post. And as you can see, it'll update everywhere in real time. I can like and dislike the post, even though it's brand new. I can add comments as well. So I'm going to add one in both. And as I can see, this also update in real time. I can also select the post here without a problem, and that's also going to work. Another thing that you can do from the app is share a post, but it's only sharing the text. There's no link that will open up a post at the moment, but I think that can be done eventually. Because of how the navigation works. When you open up a post, it's going to open a fragment and send the post ID as an argument. So a link could be made where you just open the post by ID and just start navigation. In the profile, user can see his own posts, and again, these work as everywhere else, and he can log out of the application. A bit about the navigation component itself. I'm using obviously the navigation framework, the Jetpack navigation. I'm only using one activity, and everything is just fragments within fragments sometimes. So, for example, this would be one fragment that's containing the bottom navigation bar and the app bar. But if I log out, they are different. The way this is done, it's just I have two different navigations. One is only for this, where it's logging in, and the actual fragment which contains the navigation. And then there's another one inside it, and this is tied to the actual navigation, Jetpack navigation systems. A bit about Firebase. For every part of the system, likes, posts, comments, I am listening to its node, and it'll update all of the values. Here I had to do a manual deserialization, and it's iterating through everything because I'm also using the unique ID given by Firebase. So I have a post holder, for example, which holds an actual post, which is the one here with these values, and the ID, and also a few relevant. For example, the post holder would hold a post, not a post, a user object with the username, but here I just have the ID. This is done so I can have relations between objects while keeping the structure of the database flat as recommended by Google. But that's about it. I'll wait for questions in the exam, and I'd be more than happy to answer them. But this is just a short overview of everything. Thank you very much. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention. It also has dark mode.